Top 6 things that set successful entrepreneurs apart. Every plan is part of something bigger. Clarity around your day doesn't come from rewriting your to-do list every morning. It comes from connecting the dots between your quarterly, monthly, and weekly plans. The sense of control and progress comes from the alignment in this hierarchy of planning. If you're planning one day at a time, you're reacting, often from fear. But when you zoom out, you make decisions considering where you want to be with your bigger vision, therefore making you more proactive. Your takeaway is make planning a layered habit. Work from the top down, quarter, month, week, and only then day. Big Rocks Dashboard. How many projects are you juggling right now? Can you easily tell what's in your plate, both work and personal? How do you know whether you have bandwidth to take on another project? Or do you feel that some initiatives fall through the cracks? This is crucial. You must have a place that lists all of your active projects. Put all cards on the table because this is a reality check. It's how you stop taking on more than you can handle and how you catch those half-done projects before they disappear. This dashboard isn't static. You'll revisit it doing your weekly and monthly reviews where you ask yourself, where is my time and energy going to next? Start with a simple 2-column list. What is active and what's on hold? On hold meaning things that you can't dedicate time right now, but you don't want to lose sight of. Okay? Have a process repository. Are your workflows in your head only? It's time to treat your business like a business. Document your process. Lay them out in step-by-step form, also called an SOP. Even if it's just you, optimizing our processes is what saves us time and money. Every process you write down becomes easier to improve, easier to find opportunities to simplify, automate, or delegate. Start with one recurring process, for example, a client onboarding. Write all steps, then ask yourself, how can I simplify, automate, or delegate parts of this process? Avoid entrepreneurial solitude. Working solo doesn't mean being isolated. Being too long in our own bubble can create an echo chamber and a feeling of cabin fever. It's healthy to try and get out of it. Build a network you can tap into for feedback and exchange of experiences. Hear people out, what are they doing, get feedback for your own things. Find a mastermind in your field, join a community, or reconnect with other freelancers, hear their stories, get feedback, etc. Exchange. Especially for solopreneurs and freelancers, this can feel pretty lonely, but it doesn't have to. As I heard once, the impossible is only a connection away. Your breadwinner is your body. I love this saying. One with health has many goals. One without has only one. The body needs movement. Before even thinking about a calmer mind, restorative sleep, healthy meals, the body needs movement. Stop pushing it into the future when you'll have more time. You're actually taking away from your future time by neglecting it now. This isn't just about wellness. It's the fuel that keeps your business running. Treat your body like your most valuable business asset, because it is. Stop using your mind as storage. Your brain isn't for storing things, it's for solving problems. Yet, we leave tons of to-dos simply humming in the back of our minds, slowing everything down. Just like a PC RAM, the clearer it is, the better it performs. A solid personal organization system frees up mental space. Follow a methodology rather than a few loose techniques. You can learn GTD or the PARA method to see what you like, or alternatively, sign up to my mentoring sessions and learn straight from me. The key is stick to one system for enough time for you to trust it and watch your focus and creativity come back. So, which of these 6 things are you not currently doing? Let me know in the comments. If you want to know more about how to plan your big rocks, I have a complete guide on how to plan the whole year ahead. Check it out here. Thank you so much and I'll see you around. Echo chamber, chamber. Being too long in your eco bubble. That's my clothes washing machine name, eco bubble.